Hi! For today's video, I will share my personal experience of having misunderstandings with my friend and how communication played an important role. So, I had friends back in junior high school who were really close to me. When we entered senior high school, we went separate ways. Some studied in Ramon and some in UC. Despite having different schedules, we still managed to see each other and bond. The misunderstanding started because my friend thought I was ghosting them, but I was really busy with schoolwork at that time, so I wasn't replying to their messages right away. They began to think that I didn't care about them anymore. So on August 14, 2025, we met at my friend's house. When she arrived, she slapped my back. She said, "Hoy Nile, wala naman kay chat-chat sa GC. 1 week naman, mangluod na jud minimo." After that, I just laughed. And after a moment, I explained to her why I wasn't active in the group chat. "Sorry guys, wa ko'y chat-chat sa GC na. Busy mong good ko og edit sa amo ang film. Ako ra usa nag-edit day." I told her that I was busy editing our film that had to be submitted that week. She nodded and understood. This was us after that conversation. We catch up our life in Ramon and UC. She shared how her UC life was going on and how she became busy too. My other friends and I listened to her and laughed together. From that experience, I realized that good communication is not just about talking, but also about really listening and understanding each other. If I had kept quiet, the problem or what they overthink could have become worse. But because she chose to talk and I chose to explain, everything became clear and our friendship grew stronger. I learned that sometimes a simple and honest conversation can save a relationship and make it even better.